Alright guys, welcome to the very first offensive security certified primer. That's the certification that we are aiming for, and this is my very first tutorial. The truth. Now, what you will learn from these tutorials. So I have searched a lot of these kind of tutorials, but I don't find any good tutorials out there on the internet. Offensive security it's costly. It costs you like I guess 800 to 1200 bucks for the lab and stuff, and you don't get good quality tutorials. Now, why I'm making these tutorials? The first thing is I don't want you guys to be a script kiddie. So a script kiddie in the sense that, well, you will Google tons of hacking videos, and then it will just show you, okay, open up command terminal, do these commands, and you're done. Boom. But you're not an actual hacker this way. You don't get any knowledge. You just got to know how to operate a particular software or a tool. But that too is very limited in a very limited conditions and situations. So let's say if a tool is working under one condition, but let's say you're trying to do it, and the victim, he has some different configuration on his system, but now you don't know because you only know how to use the tool in one way. So I don't want you guys to be a script kiddie. And it's okay, so I love this code. So once a student asks his master, well, you always teach me martial arts and kung fu, but you say live peacefully, so what's the point? And the master replied, it's better to be a warrior in a garden than to be a gardener in a war. I love this code. So you should learn all these for your own learning purpose and not to harm anyone. Third, you will learn the concept and solve challenges. So I will make these tutorial in a way that you will get to know what's going on behind the scenes and what is the actual theory behind all these tools and how you can actually configure everything. And not just that, after a few videos I will always post some sort of challenges, or I will give you some question or brainstorming to do, and then post the solutions as well, and then but you can think about them and try to solve them. So this is the way that we're going to be doing this tutorial series, me teaching you and learning with you at the same time. I'm not a pro, okay, I'm learning as well, and the best way is like to keep solving challenges. And my fifth point, it says no tutorial on YouTube to prepare for OSCP. I already covered that. And sixth, obviously I will be learning with you, so don't think that I know everything. There are tons of things that I have seen people that are really good at compared to me, and I have seen people who are still learning, but we all are learning here. So you teach me, I teach you kind of stuff. And seven, I really love this point. It says be with the disease. That's the way to get rid of it. And it's a famous quote from Bruce Lee. And the idea behind here is a lot of students I have seen, a lot of people, when they start learning into anything, and it applies on every aspect of life. When you start learning something, obviously you see something that you don't understand, or you see, well, what is going on in here? Say for example, I made a video over a tool or solving a challenge, and for some people it might be really easy, but for others it doesn't matter. If you are into this field for so long, maybe this concept is totally new for you, or you just don't get it. So don't get frustrated about it, and just be with it. That's the way to get rid of it, is you stick to it. You keep learning and you stick to the concept, and you dig more and more and more, and you will learn it. Eventually you will learn it in the end. And the very last point, I just want everybody to stay humble, motivated, and positive. I just want to give this knowledge. I just want to share knowledge with you guys, and hopefully I want to be motivated, and your comments and your likes and your subscription will keep me motivated. And I want all of you to always positive in life and keep learning. And I will see you in my second video. All right, thank you.